Good day and welcome again to another 8downloads.com software preview, and this is Chris, and we're still going to continue about the LaTeX document creator called Technique Center. And today I'm going to show you how to do some basic editing of the LaTeX documents. So right now I have here a sample copy that I copied from the internet, and as you can see, though it's really hard to define it, but we will try our best to understand. So the document class 12-point article, this corresponds to the class of the document, the type of font, and it's an article. And then of course new command, if you will have this, it's called a macro system. So there you go. Of course we have the title, sample latex document, or LaTeX document rather, and then the date. Then, just like other programming commands, you have the begin command, or let's say begin document. Make it title, or make title, you can have it as automatic title. Of course, your body, if you're using like an HTML, so there you go. And actually, you can use equations. So LaTeX document is good for math teachers as well. You can create your mathematics exam here or algebra exams using the LaTeX editor. So if you will go ahead and build the current file and view that, what will happen is basically this document will be converted into this. So as you can see, you have all the mathematical symbols already here. So if you're a math teacher, an algebra teacher, an engineering teacher, or probably a science teacher, you can use this for your chem, math, or algebra expression test papers. So that's the power of LaTeX document, and that is how Technique Center would do that. So again, this is Chris saying have a great day to all, and thanks for viewing this video.